No, but I can see the state and the court are colluding. They are both colluding. The court is always on the side of the state. Now you are colluding, you are dissenting, you are impatient, my lord, everything. Look now, that statement is not formal.
I'm in the mind of Mr. Malloy.
My lord, I have retracted that statement. Where is the privilege of the court to take the statement to the witness? The statement is not discovered to the court. It's not hand up.
No, it doesn't have to be hand up.
That's irregular, my lord.
That's it. Let me take you on a
Yes.
I hope you succeed.
Thank you.
And when I understand you mustn't use waves to understand. You know what is to collude.
My lord, I'll use that word in a literal way. I understand
You
that
mustn't
word.
use waves you don't understand. What is to collude?
Maybe I mean it. I might not understand it. Maybe I mean it. Because now, my lord, may I respect the court by saying this? But Baloyi just said now. That's it. That's what you're doing, my lord. With due respect. And I'll stand by that. And I'm still preparing my 317.
No, do it.
No, Baloyi just mentioned my lord now. He said this statement was commissioned by Vosmus Mkhane. You say, as the court, you say it was commissioned by another person, Johan.
How am I competing with you?
No, but he said it was commissioned in Johannesburg. The court says it's another gentleman, Johan. But Mkhane, he said,
I never said it's another gentleman.
that's what you said, my lord, just now. Let's just rewind it.
You don't have to remember.
No, let's just take the records for that, my lord. This is what you have said. You said this, you are satisfied that this statement was properly commissioned by a gentleman, by Johan. And the state said it was Vosmus Mkhane in Johannesburg. Please, my lord, let us be honest to this court. No, may I retract it? May I retract it? But, my lord,
Maybe you don't be doing
no,
I've got the right to sue you.
my lord, I have.
Because you are impugning my character and honest. Maybe you don't know that.
My lord, may I address the court? May I address the court? My lord, may I remind the court about the witness that you didn't treat very well?
You don't have to say anything.
Thank you.